अगर मैं चाहता हूं कि P के साइड से Q का कोऑर्डिनेट निकालो, सो मुझे M की वैल्यू कितनी लेनी होगी? 2
2.
हाँ सर।
and the value of N is 1. So that's why we have M ratio N is equal to 2:1. अब मैं चाहता हूं कि we have to find the coordinate of Q. अब मुझे Q निकालना है from the point B. तो जो जिसको मैंने M ले रखा है, that point I have to consider as a M, और जिसको मैंने M मान रखा है उसको N मानूंगा. So we have M is to 1 is equals to 1 is to 2. ठीक है. So when we consider from the point B, so let's write here Q divide PB in 1 is to 2 from point B. So we will write here M is to N is equals to 1 is to 2, and the point B we will consider as a x1 y1 and P as a x2 y2 x2 y2. So Q के coordinates हो जाएंगे x, y is equals to mx2. So m x2 means 2 plus n y1 mx2 nx1. nx1 means minus 2 upon this side m. y2 means minus 5/3 plus 2 y1 minus 5/3 minus 6. So you can write minus 6/1/3. So this one will be 0/3, comma. So we are taking here LCM 6 threes are, then 1 threes are. 3 into 1/3. So position for the first person. इसके position की बात करें, then first person is standing on the point Niharika. Okay, first one is Niharika. So Niharika coordinate will be second on x-axis और distance travel करती है 1/4 of the total 100 flower. So 1/4 of 100. So 25, and the position of second यानी Rasmi on 8th line. So x coordinate will be 8 and the y coordinate will be 1/5 1/5 of the total distance. So that means 100 flower. So it will be 8 comma Rasmi R, Niharika N. Is what is the distance between the two flags? So you have to find the distance between N R by using the distance formula. X2 minus X1. So let this one as a X2, Y2, this one as a X1, Y1. So 8 minus 2 whole square plus 20 minus 25 whole square. So NR is equals to root 61. If the Rasmi has to post the blue flag exactly halfway, means इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करने वाली लाइन हो गई, she has to post the flag here. अगर उसको यहाँ पे flag लगाना है, that means this point, suppose this one is the point A. So we will find A is a midpoint of NNR, or you can write M is a midpoint of NR. So by the section formula, we have x comma y is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now write the coordinate. X1 of the Niharika is 2, Rasmi is 8 by 2 comma 25 plus 20 by 2. This one is 45 by 2. So we will write here Rasmi has to post flag at the coordinate 5 comma 45 by